Flipping heck, that make me feel nauseous. Oh. Oh, put a pause. God, my ear. Even that, that's just 100 SB, 100 dB for crying out loud. God. God, I feel nauseous. My ears feel. It's like, I think I need to subtract some of this and add some of it in a different form of yeah, because the system is kind of like doing this, you know, sub bass is kind of like doing that, or bass, or you know, like doing that. It doesn't matter what speaker it is or whatever. I need it to do this, which is pretty complicated as it goes. But flipping heck. Well, at least I don't think 100 dB would give me tinnitus, but I don't know. It's just a bit of deep rumble on the center channel, up to 100. Oh. Oh, flipping heck, and the flipping what's it's engaged again. So the sub's up at the front, and the other one located at the back, and then one located underneath the seat on the floor. So I feel rumble in the floor, but it's a little bit more than that. It's a little bit more than that. I mean, probably wouldn't get as close to this sort of thing. Maybe with the simulcast that they did in the US with back in the 1970s. It's a simulcast with TV simulcast. Flipping heck. Yeah, so I've got ideas for this rather than this, and then doing it like that. But oh yeah, look at these size. You know, Charles Richter, who developed the Richter scale, and the Richter scale really has got no sort of limit to it, sort of thing. But you know, up to about a 10 is about the max. So some have been up to about 9.5. I didn't quite check into all the details of what the duration time was. That what's depicted in the movie is a 10, which is lasting almost nearly close to 10 minutes. Oh, just sound effects and wow. This keeps falling in because of the vibration on through the seats. Wow. It doesn't seem to mind it. Wow. Oh. You know, I don't think you'd be sitting around in a seat while an earthquake goes off unless you got some kind of fancy for it, but flipping heck, my ass is flipping heck. Good. Yeah. So yeah, I've got ideas. I've got some ideas.